So another pharmaceutical company gave us information today that they are no longer going to be trying to improve on the flu vaccination. So this is Sanofi that is now pulling out of continuous phase 3 trials on new and improved and more effective flu vaccination. So this is one of those side effects that doctors like myself have been kind of screaming to the wind about. When everyone says, oh, the recommendations just mean that there's more shared decision making. No, the recommendations have absolute real life consequences and we need to act. Another thing that I just kind of fully understood today, I testified today in front of the Senate Health and Wellness Committee for the state of Vermont for our bill where we are trying to get vaccine protections in the state of Vermont so that we can continue to follow the AAP recommendations and continue to provide universal vaccinations to everyone that wants them. One of the things I heard in testimony today is that when a vaccination is changed by the CDC from routine to not routinely recommended, there is the possibility that the Director of Health and Human Services or the Director of the CDC can remove that vaccination from the Vaccine Injury Fund. Wonder why they want to do this? Because if it's not in that fund anymore, then lawyers can go after the pharmaceutical companies, which you may think that you want this, but you do not. Because all that is going to happen is limited access to vaccination, no more research, no more safety studies, no more checks and balances, and we're going to have these pharmaceutical companies say, listen, vaccines don't make us enough money anyway. We'd rather start making medications to treat these infections because we haven't had a new antibiotic in a while. That's going to be a hot commodity because when all these people are getting sick, we're going to need new medications to treat it. So please call your state senators and representatives. If you don't already have a bill going on to try to protect state access to vaccinations, you need one. The state of Texas is also going after pediatricians related to vaccinations. If you live in the state of Texas, you need to say something. Here in the state of Vermont, please call your senators and let them know that you support this bill. They seem to be in pretty good support of it so far, but they need to hear from you. Take care.